Energy is changing, from powering the world to connecting everything. GPT is a subsidiary of Rita International Group. Backed by Rita's about 30 years of expertise in new energy sector, mature manufacturing and global resources, GPT focuses on LFP energy storage systems, delivering efficient and reliable solutions for global new energy. GPT is committed to technological innovation, continuously improving our solutions to meet diverse global energy needs. We develop and produce our own BMS, enabling fast response to customized demands. With imported key components and strict batch testing, our products are safe, stable, and reliable. Powered by advanced algorithms, we enable accurate state estimation and full life cycle data support. Our intelligent EMS platform realizes coordinated local and cloud management with real-time data monitoring, 24/7 online operation and remote control, supporting multi-energy coordination in complex scenarios. Our high-performance PCS enables efficient bidirectional energy conversion, adapts to various working conditions, supports flexible expansion, and ensures easy, efficient operation and maintenance. GPT integrates a global high-quality supply chain with 2 intelligent production bases in China and Vietnam, ensuring timely delivery. Looking ahead, we will continue expanding capacity to meet growing global demand. From automated production to digital logistics, we pursue excellence in every step. Our production system ensures high efficiency, consistent quality, and fast delivery, supporting the implementation of global projects. We have established a full-chain quality control system covering material selection, equipment operation, process optimization, and product inspection. We strive for perfection in every detail so that every product stands the test of time. GPT is committed to green development. We adopt environmental protection equipment and professional fire systems, ensuring safe, eco-friendly production and sustainable operations. GPT offers a diversified portfolio across energy storage scenarios, delivering tailored solutions for harsh environments and applications including C&I, solar storage charging, wind power, petrochemical, PV, grid integration, and data centers. Warm energy makes life safer, smarter, and more connected. Together, we make the world a better place. GPT, Intelligent Energy Storage Solutions for the World.